Hey everyone, and today I'm going to teach you about differentiation. So, differentiation is a concept where you find a rate of change at which a function changes. It measures how the y input changes with respect to the x input. So, this is essentially what the dy over dx over here means. And in yellow, this is basically the general rule for differentiation. So let's say you have a function y equals ax to the power of n. Then the differential of that function, or dy over dx, is equal to n multiplied by ax to the power of n minus 1. Also, here's another way to understand differentiation. So imagine you're driving a car and you want to know how fast you're going at a specific moment, not just the average speed over a long trip. Well, differentiation helps answer that. It's basically like figuring out your speed at a particular point in time. Okay, now let's do a few differentiation examples to kind of have the idea set. So let's say we have this function y equals 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Now the differential of that, dy over dx, is equal to 3. And if we draw it in the Cartesian plane, we have dy over dx, and we have our x-coordinate here. It's basically just a line. Dy over dx is equal to 3. Now let's do another example. We have y is equal to 3x squared. Well, based on our rule in yellow, dy over dx is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x to the power of 2 minus 1. And this is equal to 6x. Simple as that. Now let's do an example with a constant. So what do I mean by that? Well, y is equal to 4x cubed plus 5. And this is an introduction to our first differentiation rule. So dy over dx is equal to 12 because 3 by 4 x, and then 3 minus 1, which is 2, so 12x squared, plus 0, because the differential of a constant is equal to 0 all times. That's one of the rules for differentiation. So then our answer is simply dy over dx is equal to 12x squared. So before I go, here's another way to write the notation for differentiation. So as mentioned before, it's dy over dx, or you can simply write f prime x is equal to 12x squared. Why? Well, f of x is equal to 12x squared, so f prime x is, f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 5. So f prime of x is equal to 12x squared. And the prime basically represents is the first derivative of 4x cubed. Later on you'll learn about second and third derivatives, but for now you just have to focus on first ones. But yeah, that's it. Hope you understand, and thanks for watching.